Hello, students of class 9, welcome to your new class, and I will be taking your algebra portion here. And in your algebra portion, laws of indices is the first chapter. Clear? Now what is that? Laws of indices. Okay, now see, if 2 is multiplied 2 times, then what you write? 2 square. If it will be multiplied 4 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then we will write 2 to the power 4. Clear? So here, if x, any variable x, is multiplied m times, clear? M may be 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, etc. So this equals to what we can write? X to the power m. Clear? Now this x is called the base, and this is called the index. Here index or power. Here 2 to the power 4. What is your base? Your base is 2 and power or index is 4. Clear? And there are some certain rules which you have to follow for calculating the chapters. Okay? For calculating the problems. Now see. What are the laws? Chapter, name of chapter is Laws of Indices. Exercise number 2 in your board book. Clear? Now what are the laws? There are certain laws. What are these? First is x to the power m into x to the power n. These two are multiplied. Here you have noticed that base same. Here also x, here also x. So it is multiplication. When base same, so powers will be added. X to the power m plus n. But if there is x to the power m and there is y to the power n, then you can't apply this rule. Clear? This is your first law. Second law, if there is x, y to the power n, when you will open the bracket, this power will be both x to the power n into y to the power n. This power will be multiplied as the power of both the variables x to the power m, y to the power n, m. Clear? And another law is, this you will get in your book. It is written. Another is, if it is in this form, x to the power m n, then when we will open the bracket, it will be multiplied. It will become m into n. Clear? Now another is that if it is in this form, then when we will open the bracket, x will be in numerator and y will be in denominator, but power will be m. Clear? And division. This is also most important. X to the power m by x to the power n. Now see, when you are dividing, both the base same. So there will be x to the power m minus n. Subtraction. Powers will be subtracted. In case of multiplication, that means in first rule I have told you that same base, so powers will be added. And in case of division, powers will be subtracted when m greater than n. M greater than n. Clear? And when m less than n, then it will become 1 by x to the power n minus m. When m is less than n. Clear? So these are the laws what you have to apply, and you will get it in your book. Now see, this chapter is most easy chapter in your board, in your syllabus of class 9. So all of you, from the beginning, all of you should practice properly. First sum, find the values of this. Okay, another thing I have not told, that any finite quantity to the power 0 is 1. Value is 1. X to the power 0, value is 1. And if any power is negative, then we can write it in this form. Here it will come in denominator, or this also we can write in this form, x to the power minus 7. So when it will go in numerator, power will be negative, and here power is negative. When it is coming in denominator, it will become positive. Now see, exercise 2, 1, 1. Find the value of this. This is fifth root. Fifth root of 8 to the power 5 by 2 into 16 to the power minus 3 by 2. Clear? So here, this, when you will remove the root, we will write 8 to the power 1 by 5, and there is 5 by 2 into 16. Minimum, it is the multiple of what? 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 to the power 4 into minus 3 by 2. And this 5 will be cancelled out. Similarly 8. 8 means what you can write? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 cube we can write. 2 cube into, here 5 cancelled out, 1 by 2. Here 2 to the power minus 6. And when you will multiply this, so it is becoming 3 by 2 into 2 to the power minus 6. Now see, there is multiplication sign, base same. So what we can do? We can add the power by rule of indices. Here, so it is possible only when base is same. If there is 2, there is 3, then powers cannot be added. So here base same, so we can add the power. So now take the LCM. Minus 9 by 2. This is the answer. 2 to the power minus 9 by 2. Clear? Now I'll go to the next one. This is number 2. 125 to the power minus 2 into 16 to the power minus 3 by 2 into minus power is 1 by 6. So here first we'll open this 5. 125. 125 means in terms of 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So 5 cube. Clear? So in place of 125, we can write 5 cube, and power is minus 2. Here 16, you know, even number, so 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the power 4. 2 minus 3 by 2 whole minus 1 by 6. Now here we will multiply. 3 into minus 2 means minus 6. 5 to the power minus 6. Into here 2 and 2, 4 cancel, again 3 2s are 6, 2 to the power minus 6, here whole minus 1 by 6. When you are opening the bracket, so this minus 1 by 6 will be multiplied here also and here also. Now this and this cancel out, minus minus plus, and here also minus minus plus, answer is 10. Now see, now this is the answer. Clear? Now I am doing one easy sum. To sum number 3. Step by step, we will open the bracket. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So first here minus 1 into minus 1 means plus. Clear? Then minus 1. Then 2 to the power minus 1. Here minus 1 into minus 1 means plus 1. So your power is coming 2 to the power 1. So we will not write 2 to the power 1. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Clear? Step by step we have done. Now next sums you will get in next video.